In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist on your Spotify app. So if you want to reduce the number of playlists you have, or you just want to delete a whole playlist on your Spotify app, it is pretty much simple. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and identify the playlist you want to delete. And to do so, go to your library here and then tap on it. Now this will list all the playlists that you have, and as you can see, currently I have two playlists, this and this, and I want to delete the first playlist, this one. To delete it, it is quite simple. You can just long press on it, and from here you will see we have this option called delete playlist. If you tap on delete playlist, you will be asked, are you sure you want to delete my hip hop playlist? I'll go ahead and tap on delete, and now as you can see, I now have one remaining playlist. So that's how you delete your playlist on Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if the video was helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.